Hi viewers, Samannath Small Steps Trader channel. All are fell. So we will see detailedly in analysis. So we start with the today money mantra. Money is not God, but even not less than. I hope you will understand. Okay. So we start with the currency spotted, which is RBI reference rate. So according to the RBI reference rate, today the USDINR is 83 rupees 6 paise. GBPINR 106 rupees 24 paise. Euro 90 rupees 69 paise and Yen 56 rupees 93 paise. So we will see the currency features. So all the currencies are in negative. So that's why in the top line I said all are fell. I given that title. So we will see in detail. So it's my request. I hope if you like this video, please subscribe and give the like and share with your friends. So first we will see USDINR chart. So USDINR had a small gap down of 5 paise here. After that, the entire day it was in the sideways movement until here 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock only there was a chance for the intraday players. See, the prices moved all the three indicators, that is VWAP and EMA 20 and EMA 50 line. So if anybody took the entry here, it didn't. We used to say at initially keep a stop loss of VWAP. So after that, quite subsequent profit moved that to EMA channel. So it didn't penetrate here. So if anybody hold till here, so this would be the exit point, because this is like a engulfing. It is clearly it is given. So this would be the engulfing at the exit point. So this is according to the price action. If anybody want to exit according to the indicator, this would be the exit point. So if you see the profitability, if anybody took a short entry, so from here to here, it is 15 paise. So that is 150 rupees per lot as the profit. If not, if anybody took the entry exit at this place, still 10 paise, that is 100 rupees per lot of the profitability. So for positional traders, we will see the 1 hour chart. So if you see that 1 hour chart, the price is now it is penetrating the both EMA line. So earlier we used to say this is like forming as a triangle. So now the triangle is break down. It didn't break up. It is made a breakdown. So now there are a lot of chances it may coming down. So that's what the indicator also saying. Minus DMA had the upper hand here. So and ADS is penetrating the plus DMA. So this is will be the strong of the strong downtrend. So let me see in the subsequent session how this is exactly happening. Next JPYINR. So it is in the continuous in the downtrend. Today also it was in the negative. So how it performed, we will see that. So even it had as a gap down of 8 paise. You see here, this is the gap down. So after the gap down, it was in the sideways movement till around 11:30. Then after that, there was a upturn is given, but there is no entry point according to the indicator. So first it penetrating the VWAP and EMA. So the entry would be at here 5704. So if you see the exit, um, see until it has gone till 1557 12, that is 6 paise in the upper side. So we cannot say exactly exit point only according to the indicator. We have to say in that case this is penetrating first time. So this would be the exit. So just in 5 paise profitability would have taken, but it is very minor profit. So even after that, the price didn't move much movement in either side. So it was almost in sideways only. So at the time of closure, it again penetrated the VWAP and closed again inside the VWAP. So this is about intraday players, not a much profitable trade in this. If you see the positional trade, 1 hour chart, so this is becoming the 57 becoming a quite strong support presently. So it is in the sideways in the whole day. So there are a lot of chances now this may go upper side. We have to wait and see. If tomorrow also it closes below to this, maybe the trend and the downtrend likely to continue. So that we will see tomorrow how it performs. GBPINR, again this also negatively close to today. So how it performed we will see. So it had a gap down of 10 paise. Yes, sorry, gap up of 10 paise here this point. So after that it was in the sideways movement till 11:30. So 11:30 it had a good decisive candle it has formed. So this would be the good entry point here. So if anybody took the entry at here 106.15 or somewhere here, we will after it's slightly moving upper side, or this day high till now the day high is breaking. So if anybody took 106.15 the entry, so it has gone till, see here also it's okay, till 106.27 around 12 paise. So it closely touched the VWAP. So again it has gone upper side. So once it closely touches, if it is going upper side, and this would be the time to exit according to the experience we can see. So if anybody exited here around 15 paise, there would be a profitability. So after that, if you see the prices penetrated both 20 EMA and VWAP. So again 50 EM also it is penetrated. So if anybody took a entry, short entry here, that also good. Or after this candle, there is a green candle is formed. So if someone has waited until here, again it is penetrated the second time. So this would be the right entry point 106.13. So after that, it didn't touch the VWAP. So till end. So if anybody took the entry, it's 106.13. The exit is on or on the market closer 105 that 93. That means 13 and here 7, 20 paise is the profitability. So 20 paise in the intraday it's a very good profit. It's a 200 rupees per lot. For position traders 1 hour stop. If you see the 1 hour stop, we earlier it said this is the channel we used to say, but it sorry, not this. This was the channel. Otherwise we will maximize it and I'll show you. This is the channel I used to see. So now again it is closed inside the channel. So it is not a break out. Actually, we can take it. So there are likely it again move within the channel. So this is the possibility. So subsequent session we will see how it goes. So this is all about GBPINR. So next we will see EURINR. So it also closed negatively. So what is the performance? We will see. So almost it has a flat. Just in the morning, it's just 1 paise movement. It has a flat opening. So after that, it was in the completely in the sideways movement till 12:30. So after that, it is break the channel. But if you see the candle is very small. So this is better not to take any position because all are none of these are a decisive candle. So if anybody waited patiently, again the chances has come here. So it has gone opposite and penetrating all the indicators. VWAP EMA 20 and 50. So this would be the good exit point, sorry, good entry point for short. If anybody took a short at 90, 70, and there is no way it has touched it. So till end, so 35. So then 35 paise, it is a very good profitability. 350 rupees. 30 paise is 350 rupees is the profitability. So it's a very good chance for the intradays. If you see the positional chart is 1 hour chart, see it is moving in the channel, we can say. So it has again fell inside the channel. So there are possibilities still the downtrend will continue. So if tomorrow also, if it goes up, if not penetrating the channel resistance, there are a lot of possibilities it come within the channel. Let me see how the subsequent session is. So this is all about euro. Next, USDINR options. We will see that. So this is a weekly expiry 25th. So the notable point is the reference rate. Always we have to keep a mind on RBI reference rate, that is USDINR RBI reference rate is 8307. Yesterday it was 8309. So today 8307. Not much of changes. If you see here, as yesterday we told the same position. So the lot of calls are written on 8325 and lot of put written on 83. So both the writers doesn't like to go in the money either of the stakes. So in that sense, this would be the closing point. So there are, on the 25th, the expiry it may happen at between 83 and 82.25 according to today's open interest. So today it is 8307. Yesterday it was 8309. So if tomorrow another just on 2 days, how will we see how it happens? I am the boss, US dollar. So all the currencies are settled based on the US dollar only. So yes, right, it is the boss. So if you see the US boss is now the momentum is in cross. So the first time it has touched both the EMAs, but still it looked like a decisive candle. We have to wait and see. But if you see according to the indicator, the minus DMI had upper hand now. So there are the possibilities it may go down. If you see the weekly chart, so it is still in the resistance. It didn't penetrate the resistance. So still exactly at the resistance. So if it didn't penetrate in the upper side, it may come down. So that means the downtrend will starts and it may come till 98. There are a lot of chances. So this about USD dollar. So this video is for a learning purpose. So don't take any investment or trading decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. So it's my request. If you like this video, subscribe and give a like. It will motivate us and share to your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.